Good evening. Well, I say evening because it's evening for me. So, workshop update. Bunnings. Shit the bed on this one. They really did. They couldn't collect before 4 p.m. No, next day. It's meant to be click and collect the same day before 4 p.m. Didn't happen. None of this was ready, and I wasn't going to pick it up yesterday afternoon anyway. But opened up this morning, first there, ready to collect all this stuff because I was there to collect stuff for maintenance anyway. Anywho, so finally got my hands on a drill press. Yes, is a cheapie. Will do the job for now. Only for the workshop. So mainly just for maintenance and stuff like that, and myself. We'll see. Upgrade to another one down the track, or we'll just keep using this one. We'll see how it goes. Ceiling fan. This one is a plug option. So, you know, it's 120 centimeters, 3-blade, 30 watt. So it could be possible to run this on my inverter battery bank system, but most of the time this is going to be on, and we will show how we will be turning it on. It's going to be timed on a daylight or daytime, obviously, because we have to keep network system cool. Powering that obviously through the power point, but going for, now this was a free, well, not free, it was a reduced price upgrade from Bunnings. So I initially was going to get this one on screen. Says it was in stock. Ordered. This is like $50 something. Price would be just here. And a link to everything here in the description. So this one here is accessible. So it's got Bluetooth control. As far as I'm aware, this is also controllable by Google Chrome. I'm pretty sure, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, there's going to be a way that I'm going to set that up, so as soon as I get into the workshop, say a phrase, and everything that I want to be on should be then on. So, on to the next one. 3-piece modular mobile storage system. Again, another upgrade from Bunnings. This originally was not what I was going for. So these ones retail for, I think it was $159. So stackable. It's basically just a mobile tool storage case. Move some stuff, so the noise. So also have containers up top to store screws, bits, pieces, stuff like that. But yeah, it's a good upgrade from, I was going to get this, didn't have it in stock, even though they said it was in stock, couldn't find it, so yeah, they upgraded me for the same price as this one. Next along, another battery holder. So I currently have one battery holder. Gonna end up shifting this one over slightly. Putting the second one in between the power board and the battery holder. So yeah, that's, one's gonna be for full, other one's gonna be for charged, needs to be charged. So in line with that, new batteries. Only 4 amp hour, but they are a force compared to the Pros. So we'll see the difference between them. So originally I was going to go for the, I think it was the Pro 5-pack. Again, not in stock. Issues in Alice Springs with stock. Getting stock into Alice Springs is ridiculous at times. But yeah, so this is the upgrade to workshop. we'll see how this gets along. I know I will be using this a lot, even just around the property, doing maintenance and stuff like that on the rentals. Do have something in the works, waiting to see how this pans out. Better storage for tools when going on site to do jobs. But yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. If you like the content, give us a like. It doesn't cost anything. Comment down below good alternatives for storage systems, mobile storage systems. I only went Tactics because they're cheap and they match the black and orange of AEG. So yeah, and batteries. I'd like to know who out there what the difference you find between Force, Pro, and I think Fusion batteries are different again. But yeah, comment down below if you like what you're seeing so far. Subscribe. Watching the video, look, if you like the content, great. Thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. If not, we've got more content. Go have a look. You may find something you like. If not, I'm sorry. I'll try and bring out more content that will please you in the future. But yeah, thanks. Bye.